Next up, we have LatePoint. This booking plugin has been around for a while. They first started off at Theme Forest, and now later they're available in the backend of WordPress. When you first install LatePoint, you're greeted with a really nice setup wizard. Having the setup wizard is nice, and it's good they offer this for their customers, but I feel like a majority of the most important options are located in the backend. The LatePoint UI is actually really unique compared to other booking plugins. This is the only plugin where it actually completely shows a dashboard on a dedicated page. The dashboard is pretty straightforward and simple. It shows performance, upcoming appointments, and also your revenue. On the left side, you'll see the general options like calendar, appointments, payments, customers, and services. There's some unique options about this plugin that differ from its competitors. The first is the activity log. If you click on the time clock at the top right, it'll then show you an activity log. Here you can always see what's going on your website in a really nice clean format. You can also access the automation for free in the free version. When a booking is created, you can send specific emails depending on what's going on your websites. Now in the free version, you can send emails. However, if you want to send SMS notifications or integrate webhooks, then you'll need to upgrade to the Pro. Now the first thing that you'll do when setting up LatePoint is adding your agents. These are the people that typically work for your company. Now, before going to the services, you can access the form fields. In the free version, you can choose what's required and which forms you want to display. Here you'll see we have first name, last name, email address, phone number, and also comments. You can make specific fields required and also adjust the column width for each form. LatePoint also comes with a robust amount of general settings. You'll be able to enable time restrictions, adjust the currency, validate phone numbers, and also restrict based off location. You can also fully customize the design of your booking form and calendars in the general settings, all within the free version. You can also update your company information, upload a logo, and there's a huge variety of free options you can utilize in the free version. After you adjust the general settings, you'll then create a service. The service settings allows you to add a service and some description about your service. You can also choose a visibility for your bookings and also add a background. You can also upload images for your services, adjust the price, durations, and also add a display price. You can also assign agents to each specific service. You can add booking restrictions and a few other options. The amount of options located in the services section is actually quite useful. Another unique option with LatePoint is the ability to create bookings right from the backend. If you click on the plus booking at the top right, you can manually create bookings. If customers call your shop, you can easily create bookings for them in a really convenient manner. Once you create your services, you can then add them to the homepage. LatePoint fully integrates with the Elementor page builder, and it also comes with 6 elements for the Elementor page builder. You can add these elements onto any page you want, which gives you a lot of freedom when using this booking plugin. The calendar forms also look pretty good. They integrate really well with the Elementor page builder, and they look quite nice. Here's a quick example of the booking process on desktop and on mobile devices. Out of all the plugins, I feel like LatePoint offers the most elements for the Elementor page builder compared to its competitors. Now there's also one more helpful feature in the LatePoint general settings. LatePoint offers Stripe credit card payment integration all in the free version. Out of all the plugins on this list, this is the only plugin that allows Stripe integration in the free version. All in all, I would say LatePoint has put a lot of developments inside of this plugin. They've definitely kept up with today's trends by adding in integrations, automations, and other unique services. Now, a few years ago, this plugin had a variety of add-ons that you had to purchase in order to access these features. However, they recently decided to throw away all the add-ons and add all of them in one pro version. If you go to their pricing section on their website, you can purchase an annual license for about $79 on one website, and it goes all the way up to $299 for 100 websites. The great part about this is you get all the features for the plugin in one plan. They also offer a lifetime plan that starts at $199 for one website and goes all the way up to $600. I would say this plugin has done a really good job. It has all the features, looks great, and fully integrates with the Elementor page builder, and it's very well priced. I would give this plugin a solid 10 out of 10. It comes with all the features that you need, and it's available at a great price.